folks, Satish here. Now, this is not a sales pitch. I'm just trying to make sure that you don't get sued by like random people. So here's what's happening recently. So recently, some of my clients have been served with a lawsuit because their website was not ADA, American Disability Act friendly. So what does it mean? So recently, a law got passed that requires business owners in the US and Europe to make sure that your website is, compatible for handicapped folks. Now, the reason it's important is because there are people out there, like there are lawyers and there are people out there pretty much hunting down businesses who don't have this, compliance, okay? And then pretty much sending them a lawsuit to settle this up. Now, you could prevent this, okay, very, very easily. I had my developers build you out a nifty WordPress plugin that's gonna help you get the compliance. All you do is pretty much install it and boom, you are good to go. On top of that, what we have seen is the fact that, people who actually use this plugin, they got more sales. Now think about it for a second, okay? So handicapped people, these people with disabilities, they were not able to use your website prior to this. Now with this plugin, they can use your website now. And guess what? In return, you get more sales, you get more customers, you get more opt-ins. So it's a win-win situation. It could actually save you a leg and an arm, because if you get a loss, it's going to cost you even more money. So right now you could solve that problem by getting this WordPress plugin. I'm going to go and show you a quick demo right now so you can see what's included. It works on all the WordPress sites. It takes less than 30 seconds to install and you should be good to go. Now let's go and take a look at the WordPress plugin right now. So I'm back here on my laptop right now. Let me go and show you the system right now. So once I'm on my website or on my mobile device, I'll be able to see this little icon on the right corner right here. If I click it, right, this is going to help people. Okay, this is going to help handicapped people. This is going to help people who need a little bit of help. Okay, maybe some people don't have that great vision, right? Maybe they are colorblind. Maybe they can't use the website properly, right? Maybe they can't hear. All of this can be solved with this plugin. Let me show you the features, okay? So this is what it looks like. So you can actually go ahead, it has a built-in dictionary, right? You can also go ahead and change the content scaling right here. You can also go ahead and do a magnify the text here as well, just like this. Take a look at this, okay? Amazing, right? You can also go ahead and change the font to something that you can read much more easier. We also have a feature for dyslexic people as well. As you can see, this is much easier for them to read, okay? We also have highlighting titles. It'll highlight the titles for you. You'll also highlight the link as well. So people who are like, which one is a link, this will figure it out for them. Think about it for a second, okay? This is not only going to help the handicapped people, it's also going to help you bring in, guess what? More money, more signups, okay? Don't think that people who need help, they don't have money. They got money, right? So you as a business person should be thinking about serving everybody, right? I want everybody as a customer. I don't care, okay? I want colorblind people as a customer. I want people who are deaf as a customer. I want people who have bad vision as customers. So I want everybody as a customer, and so should you, right? Let's go and take a look at this right here. You can change the font. You can change the line height. As you can see, you can also change the spacing. You can align it to the center. You can align it to the right. You can also do dark contrast. You can do light contrast. You can go ahead and make it monochromatic like this, okay? Some people can't see that, colorful stuff. High contrast, high saturation, low saturation, right? You can also go and change the text color. Take a look at this, okay? Take a look at this, okay? Beautiful. You can actually change the background too, okay? You can also go ahead and let's go ahead and make it a little bit normal, okay? So you can also go ahead and you can reset it right here. I'm going to reset it. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to scroll down, okay? You can actually go ahead and mute sound. You can hide images. You can have a virtual keyboard, okay? You can have reading guide, okay? It'll tell you what you should be reading or not, okay? It'll have a stop animation, reading mask, okay? Take a look at this, okay? Take a look at this. How cool is that, okay? So people can stay focused, right? They have like highlighting hovers. They have a highlighting focus like this, okay? You can focus on things like this. You also have a big black cursor. You also have a big white cursor as well. You also have text to speech. So for example, right here, you can play it out like this.
Life is very uncertain, throwing curveballs at you.
There you go, right? You can also see the navigation keys here as well. You can also go ahead and navigate throughout the website directly from here as well. This is so amazing, right? Now, guess what? Okay, I'm going to show you the back end as well right here. This is the back end. Once you go ahead and install it, you can change pretty much everything about it to make sure it fits your WordPress theme, it fits your website, it fits your site, okay? So you can change pretty much everything, right? This is you can change how it looks, okay? You can go ahead and enable all of these things, okay? You can disable things, open button like how you want it. You can change the icon, you can change the color, you can change statements, you can change hotkeys, you can change text to speech, you can change CSS, you can change pretty much everything. So this is what the system is, okay? This is not only going to help people use your website better, but also help you so that you don't get sued. So let's get back on the video right now. Now, that was the WordPress plugin that we're offering. Keep in mind, okay, I want you to think about it for a second. Close your eyes, think about it for a second, okay? If you don't have this plugin, someone could actually send you a lawsuit because you are not in compliance for the ADA, American Disability Act, okay? And you can prevent this right now, okay? You have a choice. You could just ignore this video. Hey, Satish is just telling me these things. You could do that, but if you have to wake up one morning and see an email, get actually a lawsuit on a mail, that's going to be so hurtful, okay? So right now, go ahead and take a look at this page and get this plugin so you can actually, prevent, from getting a lawsuit and actually raise your sales. So it's a win-win for everybody. So let's go ahead and get it right now.